Did you know yesterday was 100 days until my 50th birthday? Now, I know this because the day before I didn't do a YouTube post. And recently I've been trying to be more consistent with posting on YouTube. I recently completed a 30-day challenge on Instagram, the Dare to Post challenge. I completed that the day before, and I've been trying to lean into YouTube more. I do like it because it's I can just be myself. I don't have to try to condense a bunch of content or a bunch of message into 30 seconds or 90 seconds or anything like that. I can talk for 45 minutes if I want to. Will people watch? I don't know. I like it because it allows me an opportunity to just really be me and talk to you and let you into my life. I was a little bummed because I didn't create a post on the 18th. And the reason I didn't is because I was driving to Yellow Springs, Ohio to go on my date with Dave Chappelle and Christopher Cross. So yesterday, as I was driving home, I said, let me ask what 100 days from today is. And lo and behold, it was my birthday. And so I thought, wow, this is perfect timing, great opportunity. Your mistakes or what you think are setbacks may actually be setups, because in this regard, that's how I'm using it. I'm using it as a setup, right? A setup for 100 days of consistency on YouTube, culminating in my 50th birthday. Now, is that not cool or what? I'm gonna say it's cool. I think it's pretty awesome because as I've been sharing more on YouTube, I've been letting you see the highs, the lows, this transformational journey that I've been on. And so what better way to commemorate 100 days of consistent posting than my 50th trip around the sun? Talk about that wasn't coincidental. It was supposed to be like that. And it's just, this journey has just been teaching me the importance of autonomy and realizing it's my need, consistency, and thugging it out even when I'm not getting applause or when I'm not generating revenue. Just being true to myself. And that is a big deal. So I just want to invite you to join me on this journey because I'm really going to be leaning in. And let me tell you, look, I've got to flip my hair because I got some bangs. That'll be my anniversary next month, April 26th. Well, I'm going 27th. That was the second day that we finished. But April 27th will be the 1-year anniversary of this set of Locs. And Sister Girl got a bang. But anyway, so I was on the fence about what I wanted to do for my 50th birthday. Did I want to go on a trip? Did I want to have a birthday party? Well, I decided I'm going to take a trip. And let me tell you, this trip is going to be the mother of trips. And I think I'm confident it is going to be it's the only way that I can really enter this second half of my life. And the acceptance of myself that I have developed, as well as my love for travel. So this trip is it's huge, and you'll really only get to see it on YouTube. Because it's sometimes difficult, and as I am beginning to post more and consistently, as I just lean fully in, it'll become easier. But right now, it's rather hard to have YouTube content and then Instagram short form content. I'm getting better at it, but I don't know. It's a work in progress. So anyway, I'm going to be sharing this on YouTube, and I invite you to join me because I think it's going to be great. And again, if you're already subscribed to my channel or if you're just coming around, you're getting up close and personal look at me rebuilding my life, me starting over at 50. I told you, I just want to be able to do what I want to do. I don't want to work for anybody. However, I have yet to really start generating sustainable income. I'm actively turning down. I got another request for a cake. I turned it down because it just is not in alignment with where I'm headed right now. And I have ADHD, so it don't take much for me to squirrel and be going in another direction. And that's what I feel like I've done pretty much all of my life. And it's taken a lot to try to shift that mindset and that behavior and change and really focus on what is important. So this is a great opportunity for you to get a front seat in this and maybe some, hopefully, inspiration and encouragement along the way, and just to know that you aren't alone. So this is day 2 of my 100-day journey to the big 50. So that means 99 days. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day.